Politics is getting more interesting as elections are coming closer. The State Election Commission is also gearing up for polls and initiating polls preparedness with all political parties. Interestingly, the long-awaited Goa Forward Congress alliance has been finalized. And to add to the confusion, a BJP MLA is on record to say that one Goa Forward MLA is all set to join his party soon. Here is an analysis of the ongoing political fiasco.
Chief Electoral Officer has called the all-party meeting to take stock of poll preparedness. The meeting is to be held every month to discuss addition and deletion of names in electoral roll, expenditure for polls and form filing. It is likely that code of conduct is to be declared after New Year and elections to be held by February end. 5 states are set to go to polls together.
आमची कितें सजेशन आसा ती मायनर आमी दिल्या 20 डिसेंबर म्हणल्यार फॉर्म 6 फॉर्म 7चे चेंजीस जातले न्यू रूल विल बी पब्लिश्ड ऑन 5th ऑफ जानेवारी फर्स्ट रुटीन मॅटराचो एक भाग आसा हेच्या फुडली मिटींग प्रोबेबली डिसेंबर एंडाक बी जातली तेतून म्हणल्यार इलेक्शन केन्ना तेजे गायडलायन्स ऑर मोस्टली टेंटेटिव्ह डेट्स आमकां कळटले आय थिंक इलेक्शन कमिशनराचे रिप्रेझेंटेटिव्स म्हणजे their top level people were supposed to come out tomorrow, but they have just postponed their visit by another 7 days. So by 8-10 तारखेक म्हणल्यार ते येतले आनी एक फक्त गोंयचे इलेक्शन न्हू तांकां प्लॅन करता आसतना 5 स्टेटीचे इलेक्शन्स करूंक जाय न्हू सो प्रत्येक स्टेटीचो तो रिव्ह्यू घेतले आनी मागीर इलेक्शनाचे प्रोबेबली एज ऑफ नाव लास्ट टायम इलेक्शन्स वर हेल्ड ऑन 5th of February. Let us see when they are ready.
Categorically, I have brought it to his notice one thing, that we have credible information that in Phathoda constituency, certain political leaders have given list of all approximately 20 names to BLOs of our supporters, asking them to be deleted in Phathoda. But then what happens is voting right जे आसा genuine voteranचे हे हक्क ना करपाक हे उठल्यात.
There were lot of speculations and doubts on Goa Forward Congress tie-up with Vijay Sardesai badly in need of an alliance. Vijay on various occasions claimed that alliance talks were finalized, but at the same time Congress refuted it. Yesterday, Vijay along with its MLA Vinod Paliyakar met Congress Supremo Rahul Gandhi, where it was declared the relationship between Goa Forward and Congress is finalized. Also, the soft-spoken Sanghi MLA Prasad Gaonkar, who was in news for his alliance with TMC, looks set to veer back to the Congress after his photo with Rahul. Goa Congress in charge Dinesh Gundurao gave more details on the beginning of this new relationship.
They've come in support of the Congress party, and they himself they have all mentioned it. Goa Forward Party and Mr. Prasad, both of them have said that we will be fully with the Congress party and we're going to support the Congress party in these elections. See, it's a support, and ultimately how we work out nitty-gritties will be worked out here. We are all going to be facing the election.
So you are going together.
He's come and met Sri Rahul Gandhi ji, no? So and they've openly they've said that we are going to be with the Congress party. We will support the Congress party and we want to defeat the BJP.
Okay.
So it is a welcome thing that they've done. I want to thank Goa Forward Party and Mr. Prasad Gaonkar for having taken that decision. When they are with us, it is confirmed. The nitty-gritties we are going to work out locally.
Okay.
They are going to be with us in this election. See, we are the leader of the alliance. This alliance or this whatever that is going to be formed, we are the leader of this alliance. So of course our manifesto, we will take everybody's inputs. Even if any other independents are wanting to support us and they want to give us their inputs, we will take their inputs also.
Maybe the tie-up of Goa Forward Congress being finalized, but looks like there would be no respite for Goa Forward. Vijay was accompanied by its Yolim MLA Vinod Paliyakar, but its Saligaon MLA Jay Salgaonkar was missing in the picture. BJP MLA Antanasio Babush Monserrat was questioned on this development. He said that Jayesh, who is missing from the picture, would be there in BJP camp. Watch.
फुटबॉल बॉलर एकलो मिसिंग आहा तो आता मिसिंग आहा हुने तो इंजा जे उबाच आहा सिंगापूर फुटबॉल बॉलर एकलो मिसिंग आहा तो आता मिसिंग आहा हुने तो इंजा जे उबाच आहा सर मिसिंग आई थिंक ही मस्ट बी ऑन हिज वे मिसिंग आई थिंक ही मस्ट बी ऑन हिज वे.
Ironically, NCP might lose the only MLA, strongman Churchill Alemao, even as the tie-up with the Congress has been finalized. Sources indicate that Churchill might leave NCP and join TMC. However, Churchill said he is patiently waiting for Congress-NCP alliance. He will announce his future course of action during the meeting of his supporters in 2 weeks, he said.
काँग्रेस BJP कडेन फितूर आहाय म्हूण म्हाका कळ्ळें आनी आज हांव सांगो सोदितां क्लियरिटीच्यान इवान मागतोरी NCPन म्हगे लिडरान म्हाका सांगिल्लें जाल्यार हांव काँग्रेसी वचपाचो ना कित्याक हांवें डिसिजन घेतलां खंयची जाल्यार एक पार्टींत हांव जॉयन जातलो आनी जॉयन जाता आसतना हांव आज म्हगे हे पळय लोक आहा हो लोक प्लस हांव म्हगेल्या वोटरांक घेवन व्हडली मिटींग घेवन मारगांव शारांत हे 2 विकां भितर खंयच पार्टी जॉयन जाता तें तुका हांव सांगतलो.
Irshad Sheikh, Amar Chauria and Ramesh Naik Rath for Goa 365 from Panaji and Margao.